Okay, buddy, but stay close, because I got a surprise for you.
Cool!
All right.
Just frame rate issues throughout. This is insane. What the? This is like the... This...
Wow! I sure do have a lot of bottles here.
Why is everything stretched and shitty? And it's inconsistent, too. This is more nauseating than Climax.
My name is Cool Cat and I'm the coolest.
Cool Cat's voice changes many times in the film.
Cool Cat knows the time of day, so he has to say it's time for you.
Missing footage? Did everybody's screen go black here? Or just mine? Did I download something wrong? Do we have to pause? Derek? Okay, there's missing... That was missing... It's been up for like a week, hasn't it? There's more mistakes in this. Why isn't this on YouTube Kids? You gave me an idea. I'll make a longer version with behind-the-scenes stuff for the YouTube Kids side. Make a new movie! Stop! Just stop re-editing this one! When does it end? When does it end? It should end when you release it! Tinker with it all you want, then release it, then be done.